Understanding Weekly Draw, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in English, weekly draw. This phrase can be a bit confusing for learners, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it effectively in your conversations. Weekly draw is a compound noun made up of two words, weekly and draw. Let's look at each word separately. Weekly. This word is an adjective that describes something happening once a week or every week. Draw. In this context, draw is a noun that refers to a type of contest or lottery where winners are selected randomly. So, when combined, weekly draw refers to a type of contest or lottery that happens every week. To better understand weekly draw, let's see it in some sentences. 1. Our local supermarket holds a weekly draw for a free shopping voucher. 2. I entered the weekly draw at my gym, hoping to win a month of free membership. In these examples, weekly draw is used to describe a regular event where participants have a chance to win something. You might encounter weekly draw in various situations. Promotional events. Businesses often hold weekly draws to attract customers. Clubs or organizations. They may have weekly draws to engage members. Charitable events. Nonprofits sometimes use weekly draws for fundraising. Understanding the context will help you comprehend and use the phrase accurately. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, weekly draw. Now you know what it means and how to use it in different contexts. We hope this video has been helpful and has made your journey in learning English a bit more enjoyable. Don't forget to practice using weekly draw in your conversations. See you in our next video.